Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your WordPress site for backup with clear goals and storage choices. Decide backup frequency: daily, weekly, or monthly depending on update frequency. Choose remote storage like Dropbox, Google Drive, or Amazon S3 for redundancy. Ensure you have FTP or hosting control panel access and the database credentials ready. Install a reputable backup plugin or plan to perform manual file and database export. Plan retention policy, such as keeping backups for 30 days to save space and enable. First, create a full file backup by downloading the WP content folder over FTP or using cPanel File Manager. Compress files into a zip archive to reduce size and preserve permissions. Next, export the MySQL database via phpMyAdmin or using the command line with miscldump. Save the SQL file and name it with the date like Site Backup 2025-11-21. SQL for clarity. Verify file integrity by checking archive size and opening the SQL file header. Automate backups by scheduling a plugin like Updraft Plus, Backup Buddy, or a cron job for manual scripts. Set daily or weekly schedules based on traffic and content changes, and choose retention like 30 or 90 days. Encrypt backups at rest and use strong storage passwords and two-factor authentication on storage accounts. Regularly test restores by importing a backup into a staging site and verifying pages, posts, and plugins load correctly. Monitor backup logs to detect failures and set alerts for any missed jobs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.